said that the 3 new Vande Bharat trains will connect the important and historic cities, and that 102 Vande Bharat railway services are operating across the country.
देश की विकास यात्रा में एक और अध्याय जुड़ रहा है। आज से मदुरई बेंगलुरु, चेन्नई नागरकोइल और मेरठ लखनऊ के बीच वंदे भारत ट्रेनों की सेवा शुरू हो रही है। वंदे भारत ट्रेनों का ये विस्तार, ये आधुनिकता, ये रफ्तार हमारा देश विकसित भारत के लक्ष्य की ओर कदम दर कदम बढ़ रहा है। आज जो 3 वंदे भारत ट्रेनें शुरू हुई हैं, इनसे देश के महत्वपूर्ण शहर और ऐतिहासिक जगहों को कनेक्टिविटी मिली।
Union Minister for Science and Technology Jitendra Singh today released the Biotechnology for Economy, Environment and Employment Bio-E3 Policy 2024 in New Delhi. Addressing the media, Singh said that this policy will foster high performance.
Good evening, viewers. You are watching the news. First, a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flags off 3 Vande Bharat Express trains as new chapter added to the development journey of the country. Meghalaya High Court gives state government 1 month to resolve Harijan colony relocation. Meghalaya hands over body of Awami League leader Isak Ali Khan Pana to Bangladesh. Former Congress legislators Celestine Lingdo and Gabriel Walang appointed as advisors to the Meghalaya government. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today flagged off 3 Vande Bharat trains through video conferencing. The 3 trains are Meerut Lucknow, Madurai Bengaluru and Chennai Nagarkoil Vande Bharat. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister said the north to south is a new chapter is being added to the development journey of the country. With this expansion of the Vande Bharat train, the country is moving step by step towards the goal of Viksit Bharat.
ये बजट 2014 की तुलना में 7 गुना से अधिक है। तमिलनाडु में 6 वंदे भारत ट्रेन पहले से ही चल रही है। इन 2 ट्रेन के साथ ये संख्या अब 8 हो जाएगी। इसी तरह कर्नाटका के लिए भी इस बार 7,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा का बजट आवंटित हुआ है।
The High Court of Meghalaya has granted the state government 1 month to address the ongoing issue concerning the relocation of Harijan colony residents. Advocate General Amit Kumar informed the court that negotiations between the parties are still underway, calling for additional time to reach a resolution. The court has scheduled the next hearing for 4 weeks from now. The body of Isak Ali Khan Panna, an Awami League leader from Pirojpur, Bangladesh, was repatriated on Saturday morning via the Dauki border following procedures set by the Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Home Affairs. The BSF, district administration and local police handed over the body to Bangladesh Borders Guards and police at 11:30 a.m. Panna's body was discovered in a betel nut plantation about 1.5 kilometers from the India-Bangladesh border at Donabhoi in East Jhantia Hills district. Former Congress legislators Celestine Lyngdoh and Gabriel Walang have been appointed as advisors to various state government departments. Lyngdoh will advise on home police and education departments, while Walang will advise on the mining and geology and PhD departments. They will receive A+ category perks and facilities effective from their assumption of charge. Following their switch to NPP, the three MLAs emphasized that they did not request cabinet positions, but joined the party to foster development of their constituencies. Opposition leader Mukul Sangma has warned of significant challenges for the NPP after three Congress MLAs defected to it, calling the move desperate and signalling potential instability. Sangma plans to write to the Prime Minister to urge an investigation into the allegations against Deputy Chief Minister Sngap Halangdhar involving illegal activities like drugs and coal trade, which fall under central jurisdiction.
Being seized off and on across Northeast, the value of which are in astronomical figures, not just 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, 100 crore, 200 crore, 400 crore. That means a big cartel is operating on these. And if such big cartels are operating in Northeast, this criminality is not confined in Northeast. Therefore, Government of India have to take cognizance of this huge allegation. It cannot be just an allegation and then the one who comes with allegations keeps quiet. If he has come up with an allegation, he also should proceed further. I am only asking them to be responsible. I am asking both the parties to be responsible. And that is my job. And if they are not responsible, I have to write to Prime Minister. I have to write to Prime Minister that these are the allegations, please take cognizance and take action.
A 20-year-old who has been bedridden since 2014 received a much-needed support from All Furniture Association West Khasi Hills today. Led by Sincharbor Kharjarin and General Secretary Keo Langrin, the group visited the 28-year-old to offer assistance and express their sympathy. Langrin highlighted that the support came from both the association and the community members.
Lengkap bagi kong semua aku boleh sa penonton ya kan ni kat ko bapi pis ngobet jaka.
IIM Shillong, in collaboration with Niti Aayog and the Government of Meghalaya, organised a day-long workshop titled Care Services for India and Beyond to address the caregiving needs of India's ageing population. The event saw participation from approximately 150 delegates worldwide and featured keynote addresses and technical sessions aimed at developing strategies for enhancing caregiver support and creating job opportunities in the care economy. A one-day basic life support training program was held at Negrams targeting doctors, nurses and laboratory technicians from Meghalaya blood centres. Organised by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society and the Meghalaya State Blood Transfusion Council, the session was inaugurated by Dr. C. Daniela and Dr. A. Kharjana, with hands-on training provided by experts from Negrams. Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School from Ribhoi district has won the Under-15 International Subroto Cup, marking a significant achievement for the school and the state of Meghalaya. The victorious team was honoured at reception, attended by local dignitaries including Minister of Sports Shaklar Warjiri, who praised the team's dedication and announced plans for new sports facilities at the school. Yesterday, the Office of Deputy Commissioner of East and West Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with the District Sport Officer Nongstoin, organised a cycling competition for the children, young men and women. The event featured 2 races, 10 kilometres for adults and 5 kilometres for juniors. Additional Deputy Commissioner A. Nongbri flagged off the competition. Winners of the adult category received 5,000 rupees, while juniors earned 4,000 rupees, both with certificates. The National Sports Day celebration concluded today at Kiang Nangba Stadium, Joai. The event, organized by the District Administration and District Sports Office, featured various activities including ball dribbling, juggling and an 80-meter sprint. Awards were presented to the District Sports Officer, Krubok Pasa. The festivities also included badminton and traditional games. And now let us take a look at the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded at 17.1 degrees Celsius, while maximum temperature recorded at 26.3 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning is 81%, increasing to 82% in the evening. Forecast: moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur at many places. Before we end, a quick recap with the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flags off 3 Vande Bharat Express trains as new chapter added to the development journey of the country. Meghalaya High Court gives state government 1 month to resolve Harijan colony relocation. Meghalaya hands over body of Awami League leader Isak Panna to Bangladesh. Former Congress legislators Celestine Lingdo and Gabriel Walang appointed as advisors to the Meghalaya government. We have come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel. My name is Brandon. Good night.